Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Grok Anime Companion quickly and easily. So this lets you create an anime-inspired character that chats in a cute, friendly, and helpful style. So first, I want you to open your browser and go to grok.com, and once the website loads, click the chat option. And if the message box does not appear right away, wait a few seconds for the page to finish loading. Next, type a prompt describing the companion that you want, and you can ask it to be cheerful, slightly shy, supportive, and expressive, and to tell it to use short, natural replies and only a few emojis so the messages stay easy to read. You can also ask it to react with simple emotions like happiness, surprise, or curiosity. Then add rules telling it to stay in character and keep the same personality throughout the conversation. So once your prompt is ready, press enter or click submit. And if the replies are too formal, too long, or use too many emojis, adjust your instructions and try again. After that, you can chat naturally, ask for anime recommendations, request study motivation, try simple role-playing conversations, and if the character change its style, send a quick reminder about its personality and rules. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.